This video demonstrates how to generate recurring jobs using a service group. First, go to Jobs and click Add Recurring Job. Set the recurring schedule. For this example, set the job to repeat every 3 months with a due date. Set to the last day of the month. Ensure that the service group, customer, site, and billing type are the same for all recurring jobs. Enter the job summary, then click Save. Go back to Jobs and select Generate Recurring Jobs. Filter by customer. Select the recurring jobs you want to generate. Click Generate Jobs. Ensure that the service group is selected in the group by field, then click Generate Only. The generated job ID will appear above the filter section, and all related recurring jobs will be grouped under the same job ID.